At RIMOWA, we believe that care is a constant attentiveness to perfection. Wherever you are, whenever it's needed, our skilled technicians are devoted to caring for your RIMOWA with the same commitment to excellence, quality and craftsmanship that first delivered it into your hands. At our ateliers around the world, every detail of your suitcase is thoughtfully considered, each material thoroughly studied, and all imperfections carefully mended with the knowledge and expertise collected over more than a century. From our stores, to our workshops, to our luxury hotel partners, every one of our client care centers around the globe ensures that your RIMOWA doesn't just get you to your next destination, it carries you through a lifetime of journeys.